In the ever-evolving world of mobile technology, the iOS 18.4 update brings a slew of features to enhance the user experience on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. As technology enthusiasts, we delve into the intricacies of this update, aiming to uncover its potential and how it transforms each device it touches. Starting with Siri, Apple has executed a strategic upgrade, making Siri more intelligent and intuitive. This AI assistant now handles multiple tasks without the constant need for the activation phrase "Hey Siri." A salient feature of this update is Siri's improved dialogic capabilities, allowing it to naturally engage in ongoing commands. Battery health monitoring receives a comprehensive overhaul in this update. Apple introduces detailed battery insights, providing users with an in-depth understanding of their device's energy consumption. This includes access to charging patterns, battery cycles, and curated advice aimed at optimizing battery longevity. A significant leap in creativity tools, iOS 18.4 integrates AI-powered photo editing functionalities. Users can now effortlessly remove unwanted objects from images, mirroring the versatility associated with traditional editing software like Photoshop, but directly within their smartphones. Customization options also see substantial improvements. Users can now add and personalize widgets directly on their lock screens, whether it's weather updates, fitness statistics, or quick app controls. This level of personalization allows users to tailor their device interfaces to better suit their personal lifestyles. Gaming on iPhones takes a significant stride forward with the introduction of a new game mode specifically optimized for the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This mode boosts device performance, minimizes background processes, and enhances touch responsiveness, offering a significantly smoother and more immersive gaming experience. Apple's dedication to privacy stands as a pillar in this update by offering more transparent permission prompts when apps request access to sensitive information like location and photos. Users are now empowered to grant temporary access. This heightened level of control underscores Apple's commitment to prioritizing user privacy. In summary, iOS 18.4 brings profound improvements across several facets of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, each feature meticulously crafted to optimize functionality, security, and user engagement. As these updates unfold, the anticipation around their real-world applications continues to rise. Whether you're thrilled by the smarter Siri, excited about the new AI photo tools, or pleased with enhanced privacy controls, iOS 18.4 offers something for every user. As avid followers of technological advancements, our community eagerly awaits the feedback and experiences once these features are fully explored.